Good afternoon, my dears. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. So, which period is this? This is your English period, and I will teach you English. So, my dears, before starting our class, let's revise all the things what we have done. We have learned capital letters A to Z, small letter A to Z, and vowels and concepts of vowel, right? Okay, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Name the 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Right? So, now first we will, you know that your theory test is going to start from 1st Feb. So today we are going to revise all the things, right? So take out your notebook, all of you, and write with me. Take out your notebooks. Yes, take out your notebooks and write with me. Now you have learned to write A to Z small letter in sequence. Yes or no? Yes. So take out your notebook, sharpen your pencil, and be ready to write. Let us write A to Z. A to Z. I know that now you remember how to write letter A to Z. So start writing A, B, C, D. Yes, start writing with me and write neatly and in proper lines. I know that now you have remembered to write letter A to Z. A to Z you remember now? So write it. A, B, C, D. After D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? Neatly and clearly in your book. Done? Done? Okay. After that, F, what will come? G. After F, what will come? G. H. I. G, H, I. Return A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. K L. Write neatly, all of you. Write neatly. Yes. GHIJKL. After L, M N O P MNOP Q R MNOPQR S T. Write neatly in your book. S T U S T U V W X S T U V W X Y Z. Done? I am giving you 2 minutes. I am giving you 2 minutes to write the it. Those who have not completed, please complete it. Done? Done? Okay. Now take a fresh page. Take a fresh page. Match the same words. What you have to do? You have to match the same words. Match the same words. Write all of you. Write all of you in one line. Rat. Put one number 1, 2. B-E-D. Bed. B-I-B. Babe. H-O-P. Hop. Put number and write on the lines. Like this. You have to write like this. First to write this on. Then another side, write like this. One side put the number and write, and another side how I have written, you have to write like that only in another page, in next page. What we have to do? We have to match the same words. What we have to do? We have to match the same words. You done? Next. See here. Which is the first word? Which is the first word? Read it. R-E-T. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. So find where is rat. B-E-B. Big. It is not same. H-O-P. Hop. It is not same. R-A-T. Yeah, it is same. So what we will do? We will match it. Done? Next. B-A-D. Bed. So find here where is bed. B-E-B. Bib. H-O-P. Hop. No. K-O-P. Cop. No. B-A-D. Bed. So it is matching? Yes. So match it. Bad with bed. Next. B-E-B. Bib. So find B-E-B. Bib. It is same? Yes. So what we will do? We will match bib with bib. Right? Next, H-O-P. Hop. So find where it is. O-P. Hop. Same. So we will match with it. Next, K-O-P. Cop. Where is cop? K-O-P. Cop. So what we will do? We will match it. Right? How to do? I am giving you 2 minutes to complete it. Yes, I am giving you 2 minutes to complete it. Completed. Done. Your work is finished. Work is completed. Okay. Now close your book. Close your book. Stand straight, all of you. Close your book and stand straight. Now we will do rhymes. Now what we will do? We will do rhymes. So stand up, all of you. Yes, stand up. Which floor first we will do? Cobbler, cobbler. Which rhyme? Cobbler, cobbler. Ready? Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. You also say with me. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. Get it done by 2:30. Repeat after me. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up, stitch it down, stitch it up, stitch it down. Then I will give you half a crown. Then I will give you half a crown. Did you enjoy? So I think that now you have remembered this rhyme. You have learned this rhyme. Again, let us start once again. Cobbler, cobbler. Which rhyme is this? What is the name of the rhyme? Cobbler, cobbler. Stand up, all of you, and say with action. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoes. Get it done by 2:30. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up, stitch it down, stitch it up, stitch it down. Then I will give you half a crown. Then I will give you half a crown. Now, next rhyme. Cobbler, cobbler done. Now, next rhyme. Say all of you. Hop a little, jump a little. Hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. After that, run a little, skip a little. Tap, tap, one knee. Run a little, skip a little. Tap, tap, one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little. Bend a little, stretch a little. Nod your head. After that, yawn a little, slip a little. Yawn a little, slip a little in your bed. You also say with me and with action. Okay? And with actions. You are so sweet and good, my little children. Okay. Let us start. Hop a little. Hop a little, jump a little. Do with action. Hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little. Run a little, skip a little. Tap, tap, one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little. Bend a little, stretch a little. Nod your head. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, slip a little. Yawn a little, slip a little in your bed. Clap all of you. Clap, 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 clap. Okay. So learn this rhyme. Both the rhymes, cobbler and cobbler, and hopper it is. This will come for your periodic test. So, my dear, keep on practicing writing work also and oral work also. So, all the best for your exam. Bye. Have a nice day.